chupa! So, pupunta pala kami sa Hobby Lobby at itutour ko kayo kung ano yung mga bagay na sa Hobby Lobby. Uy! Tako.
Sorry about that.
What's that?
Let's see, sometimes it's like that.
Hate this car. So, gamit pala namin yung lumang car. Old car na 35 years old na. So, pupunta kami sa Hobby Lobby. Medyo mauga tong lumang car ng aking asawa. Nakita niyo yan? Lumang-luma, di ba? So, ayan. Punta kami ng Hobby Lobby. So, andito na po kami sa mga pala pan-design pala siya, ayan may mga mushroom din, they have a mushroom too. That's so nice. $13. Mahal. Let's go to the fabric. Mga pala pang design pala to. Ay, ang ganda. Bibilo ko dito pagka ayun pagka Halloween, no? Ganda pala, Uy, akala ko totoo.
What that is?
Yeah, pumpkin.
It's a pumpkin.
Ang ganda.
Pumpkin schmumpkin.
Andito pala yung mga pang-design. May mga mushroom din. They have a mushroom. What's this for?
It's probably for decorating the wall.
Ganda.
Mushrooms. I remember you love mushrooms.
Ay, dito na tayo, fabric. Is this the fabric?
No, this is not fabric. For fabric, we gotta go to the area where they have the sewing stuff.
Okay.
This area is all decoration.
Ang ganda.
And you see all the sewing stuff. That's where they're gonna have.
They have a painting too. That is so nice. Ang ganda. I think this is what I need. It's so expensive.
You should get the big one. Like I said, you should get the big one, put it on the corner, and then I'm going to move my lamp. So that way you have it on your corner.
Like this?
Yeah. Oh, like a tall
Like this?
lamp. That's not a lamp.
Oh, the lamp are you talking about?
Yeah.
Oh, I was talking about for my plant. Oh, they have a painting view.
You needed that big. That's too big.
They have a beautiful painting here. That is so nice. Girl gamer. Taray. Ay, ito pang aesthetic. Ito looks like aesthetic.
That's what you like.
Diba? Ayan pang aesthetic din to. Ano kaya to? Walang price. Oh my God, ang ganda. Oh my God, natutuwa ako. Ang ganda mo. Magaganda rito yung mga ano. Meh. Maganda na mga painting. Ang ganda ng mga shelves, oh.
These shelves are for hanging on the wall. But you already have the other shelf.
Ang ganda ng painting, oh. Asa yung mga fabric? Asan dito yung mga ito pang bake ko. Ay, ito yung mga pang bake. Bio, pang bake. Ayan o. Andito pala sa Hobby Lobby yung mga pang bake dito. Diba? Ito pang bake to. Ang taray. Dito pala ako pupunta pagka magbe-bake ako. Diba?
So small.
Ang ganda ko. Dito ako pupunta. Tingnan mo yung mga ingredients pa sila naman.
Baking.
Diba? Ang taray.
You got the cupcake.
May ganito pa silicone. Ang ganda niya. Perfect siya. Pang cupcake. Ayun o. Magkano to? $4.99. Let's go. Meron din sila dito mga ano. Are we gonna buy?
Not yet. We're gonna take some pictures first. And then
I'm gonna pick the wood. Yung mga like this, oh. Aesthetic.
we'll print some and then we'll come back. We'll see what
Meron din
size
silang
we
mga
need.
white. Ayan, oh. 50% off. So they are sale today.
Oh, sell every day.
Everything. Diba? Ang ganda, oh my God. Babalik talaga ako rito. Hobby Lobby. Ay, ang ganda. Moon. Eme. Ang daming nagagandaan yun. Ang daming gusto. Ay, shit, ang ganda niya. Oh. Ang ganda na ito. Print lang siya, pero hindi siya totoong ano, painting.
Go.
Ang dami pang display dito ng bahay. Where?
Wherever you want to go.
Mga pang baby. Ayan, mga pang baby. Ang cute naman nito. No? Pang girly.
You know what that's for?
For the mount. Look at this. I like this bee.
Well, you got money, so you can buy it if you want.
Ang cute no, elephant.
It's a piggy bank. Yes, but this is just for coins.
Pan-display to eh. Isipin ko muna kung saan ko siya ilalagay or saan ko pa siya ipandi-display. Let's go. Ay, rambit ko to.
So I'll give you the money first, and you can buy whatever you want. You like those?
I'll check first.
You're looking for some for your desk?
Ganda.
change it.
I was looking for the, like for example, a calendar, something like that. You can change the number.
Like electronic?
Not electronic.
Or
Like,
you can flip it by itself?
yeah. Look,
I'm sure
B.
there's something here.
I like this.
You like that? This is paired. How much is it?
And put it in the living room.
It's not very heavy, so we should be able to hang it. It is $60. It's a little bit expensive. But if it's 50% off, I wonder if it's already 50% off. It'd be about $30.
Ang ganda rin na ito. $13 lang. Ang dami magaganda. Oh my God, hindi na ako makaalis. Ito pang girly.
Hey, you should buy these mushrooms since you like mushroom.
Yeah, but I'm looking if they have a different one that is beautiful. How much if it's 50%? Of $6.
$30. 50% discount.
Wow. Let me see. Scary.
Oh, it's nice. You think it's scary? It's like a forest trail.
Yeah, but it's a little bit dark.
$31.
Is it a real pink?
No, these are replicas. These are not real pictures. These are all replicas.
Grabe dahil hindi talaga ako makapaniwala. Ang gaganda rito.
Real painting, you gotta buy it at an art museum. You don't,
That's gonna be expensive. More
you don't have
expensive.
anything original here. Everything here is all replicas. Look for calendar. We should look around, see if we can find
Ang ganda na
section
ito.
where they have calendars. We might find something.
Oh my God.
Did you see something like that before?
Yeah.
Or you just thought of it? Because that's actually not a bad idea.
Oh, I'm gonna buy this.
That? What's that?
How much is this?
I don't think you should buy this. It's
Ugly.
yeah, it's just plain. It's $11.
I need some like, what's that, flower base? Something for display or...
Flower vase. You should get something like that. Or maybe something like this. Or maybe even these over here.
mushroom.
If you want like a decoration just for fake flower vase, like this is very good too.
Parang maganda to ah. Kaya lang parang ang bilis mabasag nito. Nakakatakot tawakan. Yeah. Ang cute. Hindi ko alam mo, hindi ko. Oh yeah.
There's a mini
Yeah.
globe.
Buy me a pink one, pink
There's a pink one.
or a gold or a gold one.
It's about $5.
Lalagay ko dun sa table ko. Is it cute?
I don't think you should get the pink one. You should either get something like this one or that one.
Or this one?
Or maybe that one. Yeah, that one's probably more aesthetic.
Hilig din to sa aesthetic. Ay, mura lang. $6. Mahilig din sa aesthetic.
I wish it was a little bit bigger.
Pero, there's a little bit bigger.
Oh, look at, how about this one?
Yeah. How
Kind of
much?
like gold.
11.
Okay, but it's not gold. This is
Ganda.
about $12. After tax, it's about $12. This is nice.
But I just need the small one.
And we can put this one on display on the lamp. Because we have open spot now.
On the lamp?
Yeah,
Where on the lamp?
my lamp. Remember? You took some stuff out.
Oh, yeah.
But if you just want it for your desk, this is probably too big.
Yeah. Ano ba? Kung alam mo nang pipiliin ko
I'm
eh.
gonna buy it for the length.
Oh, what about this one?
I like this one better.
Okay. You're gonna pay for that. Tapos, ano pa? Maybe I wanna buy this one.
Oh, look, you can put stuff in here. You wanna buy that? Let me see.
$11.
Oh, but it doesn't work.
It is working. You didn't see?
Oh, I see. It's very slow.
I think if you finish that, it's 1 hour, isn't it?
I don't know. I've seen better ones. Like, I see some wooden ones. It's much nicer than that.
Wooden? I think mas maganda to. Bio? What about that one?
Only if this was not white.
You don't, oh, this one, no?
That's okay. See, when it's white like this, it looks like salt, so I don't like it. If the powder was not white, if it was like brown,
Brown?
like sand,
Oh, okay.
that would be perfect.
Oh, this one, no?
Yeah, I saw that one though. I like that one as much.
Ganda. Natutuwa ako. Ito. Bili ako ng elephant view. Elephant. Mahilig kasi ako sa elephant din eh. Kaya lang hindi ko alam kung magkano yung price. Ang ganda ng mga pag-wood yung pang-design mo maganda.
I'm gonna buy a cross.
We have a cross already inside the house.
No, I'm gonna buy a two cross. Because considering I'm leaning that way, I'm gonna get a cross.
Okay.
My parents really don't like it.
Pang-display lang to pero ang mamahal. So, ano kayang maganda? Ano kayang magandang flower base dyan? Hindi ko alam kung ano maganda doon. Ito ba? Kasi lalagyan ko ng tubig eh. So, dapat glass. Diba? So, ayan. Kaya lang kasi mahirap pagka nabasag eh. Maganda sana to. Kaya lang anipis ng niya nakakatakot hawakan. Ito rin maganda. Hindi ko alam kung ano mo kukuha ako. Ano yung kukunin ko? Hindi ko alam. Maganda rin to Dito, pwede kang bumili ng mga pang-decor na painting, eme-eme, ayan. So, pagka mangre-regalo ka, ito, pwede na rin to, maganda rin, Diba? Ang ganda na ito. Kaya lang hindi ako mahilig sa Gusto ko yung painting ko, bahay. Ang ganda rin na ito. Naka 50%. Ang daming 50%. Ay, ang ganda. Ang ganda. Lighthouse,
That one?
Ang ganda. I wanna buy something and put it on the bathroom.
We could get one for the bathroom. I can replace the one that's in there. That one's really good.
Ang ganda, no? Pang ano pa kaya? Pang ano to? Para saan to? Ito lagay na sa buno, kaya lang. Ang ano.
Anything you like?
I didn't see yet. Parang maganda rin to. Bay, pang aesthetic. Bay? Do you think aesthetic?
For your table?
No, for my plants in the bathroom.
You're gonna put your plants in there?
One is small and one is big.
I don't know if this will be good for plants.
It is good. For only small plants.
Well, they're gonna get bigger eventually, so it can't be fit.
Ano to?
We should get some
View? So cute!
for the bathroom.
Ganda ng design mo. Ito, lagay ng ano, ng sabon.
I think that one would be more useful. We can put like soap in there.
Yeah.
You want this one?
How much is that?
$6. Oh, they're all the same. Yeah, we can get this one. Put the soap in there. This
Okay.
is more useful. So we can get that. That'll go for the bathroom.
Pari nito. You and me and the sea. Oh, diba? Ang ganda.
Oh, they have more mushrooms over here.
Let me see. Wow! Oh my God!
You like the mushrooms? You got more mushrooms. You got some fake plants too.
I don't like kind of like that plant. Ganda. Ito pang ano lang to eh, pang mga Halloween emerald eh. Ayan o, pang Halloween.
Maybe I'll get this one for the bathroom.
No, ugly.
You don't like?
That's for only Halloween.
You like these mushrooms?
I wanna buy something like this, oh.
You can put this in your table.
How much is that?
$8.50, so it's about $9 after tax.
It's ugly.
You don't like it?
I'm gonna buy this one
What's that for?
for the bathroom and the kitchen. How much is that?
$14. No, I don't like this one. This one's ugly.
And what's the color you like?
You can get
Orange?
one for the bathroom, but I don't like that. How about this for the bathroom?
Yeah. It's cool. How much is that?
$7. Oh,
Don't like it.
that's a little high for $7.
Okay, let's go back here because this one is good. I feel like I want this one. Kaya it's so expensive here.
I'm gonna get a painting for the bathroom.
This one.
Something small. I can't get
This
something big.
painting.
That one's not good. Maybe this one. But this is expensive. No, that's
Ugly. Ano yan? Recycle nga eh. Diba? Ang ganda. Ito. B. Ito. You don't like this? The turtle.
where are you gonna put that?
This oh.
No, that's too big. Plus, I hate the glasses. It just
This is not glass.
the glasses. It
Oh.
doesn't look good. Plus, it's too big. You see the size that I have in the bathroom? Something like that. Not so big and heavy.
How about this one? Go with the flow.
It's something on the square size.
Medyo mahal ah. Labang medyo mura dyan. Gusto kong bumili ng ano. Gusto ko pa talaga bumili ng painting. Kaya lang wala akong makita magandang painting eh. Ay, parang maganda yun ah. Parang maganda to saan? Ay, kaya lang ang hirap. Ang bigat. Ang bigat niya. Ganda niya. Oh my God. Mahal naman ito. $5. Ito kaya. Medyo maganda rin naman to ah. Pang beach talaga yun ah. Kaya na medyo mahal. Tanto. Ah, sa mga aparador. Ay, ang ganda nyo. Ayan oh. Ang turtle oh. Ang ganda. Magkano kaya to? Ano yung ganda? 50% off. Meron din silang ganito. Hala, nakakatawa. Parang gusto kong bumili na ito. Ano yan? $5? Sige, bibili nga ako ng ganito. Gusto ko kasi mahilig ako sa mga bahay-bahay. Ito. Yan. Ganda lang. Tapos, ito. Pwede siyang pang gift, no? Mahilig kasi ako sa mga ganito. Pang display ba? Kaya lang ang taka. So, ito ang bibiling ko. Ito. Diba? Ganda. Ano pa? Ano pa kaya? Ito. Pang flower base, emerald. No, pwede na to. Maganda naman yun. Diba? What about this one?
That's $30. It's too expensive. Plus, it's not that good. Maybe $10, but not $30.
Mabalik talaga ako rito, Day. Oh.
This would be nice too, but it's too big.
Ganda rin ang ano dun, no? Yung boat, at saka yung ano. Ang cute na ito. Lagay ko kaya ito sa ano. Magkano to? Mahal. Mahal pala na ito. Busy. May buy me chopping board.
You want a new chopping board? Yeah, find a good one. You can replace it with the old one. If you want the big knife, you should look for a big chopping knife.
Ay, ganda. Mahilig ako sa mga ganito. That buys leche ako. Mga isa lang. Or ano ba? Kasi ito marami. Maliliit lang. Ayan. Pero ito, lalaki, 3 nga lang. So, ano maganda rito? Ito na lang, maliliit. Kasi pang takal-takal ba? Ano? Ang takal-takal ko ba? Ano pa kaya? Saan to? Ah, okay. Maganda rin to. Maganda rin yung black. Hindi ko alam kung ano mabibiling ko. Tapos, meron din silang ganyan, no? Grabe shit, ang ganda rito. Babalik talaga ako. Pang design to eh. Ayan. Hindi ka pa rin tapos mamili ng cross. Can I buy this?
What's that? No, you don't need that. What are you going to use this for?
For my, ano?
For your what?
For my kitchen.
No, we already have a bunch of small spoons.
No, this is for the salt. Something like...
For cooking?
Uh-huh. Ugly?
Oh, it's a little expensive for wood. I'll let you get a chopping board.
No. Tingin tayo dito ng mga plato. Ganda naman dito ng ano. Parang bet ko to Diba? May ganito ako dati. Nandiyo mo ito. Dito na kami sa bagong ano mo, pang aesthetic.
You like that?
Tanga nakakatakot tawakan. $7. Medyo expensive Tay, natatakot akong hawakan. Ang ganda na ito Ay, bongga siya pang display. Pwede to. 25. Pwede yan dun sa aking ito naman, pwede rin to. Kaya lang ayoko ng ganyan. Hindi mo, may block din sila. Ganda ng block. Diba? Black kasi yung aking table. So, hanap tayo ng pang-aesthetic na. Aesthetic din naman yun. Kaya lang, marami pa ang daming gaganda shit. Hindi ano yung, ito maganda rin to. Ang dami magaganda rito. Painting, plants, emerald plants, emerald. Hindi ka magkanda o gaga makakita ng magagandang ano rito. Ay, meron silang mapa dahil. Meron silang mapa. Mahilig pa naman ako sa mga ganito. Ang mahal naman nito. Ayan po yung North America. Ayan. B, look, they have a map here. They have a map here, so big, like map. Here.
Oh, that? I don't think we need it. We got the globe.
Yeah. And
Another clean picture from there.
ito pong ganda. Ito kaya bilhin ko. Ganda, no? $7. Ang ganda ng pan-design dito. Ay! B! B! Ang ganda. Ang ganda niya. Iba, pagka may mga color sila dito, ano. Wala shit, ang ganda. Para saan to? Ang paubos ng pera. Ang ganda niya. B, look at this. So pretty. So cute.
It's okay.
Ito pala eh. Ito pala eh, hanap ko eh. B, can I buy this?
What are you gonna use it for?
For my table, something like that.
Your table.
Only $5.
It's ugly.
Ugly? It's not, it's 30.
You gonna put plants in there?
Huh?
Why don't you like something like that?
Ugly, that's the ugly one. I don't wanna buy this one.
Let me see. I don't think you can put plants in there. Where's the root gonna go? Around here? All the way down?
No, that's the fake plants, and I'm gonna put it on the... You know what I mean. Ito rin ang magaganda.
We don't even have any fake plants.
That's why I'm gonna buy a fake plants. Sama-sama sila, no? Yung mga pink, yung mga green. Ito, ang ganda. Ang ganda niya. Pang aesthetic siya. Pwede to sa ano kung sa kwarto. Or sa living room. Parang mga ganyan. $41. Ito rin pang aesthetic kung ano ba yan? Ang ganda rin eh itong mga tong nakakasal. Wala kasi akong Siyempre, ayoko rin naman bumili ng mga kung ek lang. Pero kung, ay, ang ganda. Ang cute. Ang cute nito. Makalaman, $5. Wala bang taga $1, Day? Ang cute nito, Day. B, look!
Get it for your desk?
Ang cute ng mga rito, oh. Girls only.
That's all good.
Princess. Eme. Wala. Ang ganda ng mirror, oh.
Want that one?
This?
What are you looking at? The mirror?
Ang ganda. Pag may babae akong anak, ito dito talaga bibilan. Ito pala eh. Pwede na ito, oh. Lagay namin sa dingding. Mahal. $17. Mahal na to para sa akin. Ay, pepe ka. Ano kaya ilalagay namin doon sa dingding? Banyo namin. Ito naman mga black. Ito naman mga wood. Ayan ang pambagets. Pambagets to. Pang Dani. Ito naman pang baby. Ay, ganda nito. Diba? Ang ganda niya. Kaya lang medyo mahal ah.
Nice stuff, just nothing useful.
You didn't go here yet? This is your first time?
No, I didn't spend a lot of time. I just took Danny to look for some toys. It's been a while since I come back here. Maybe 1 year.
B?
The chest?
This is so beautiful.
What are you going to use it for?
I'm just telling you. It's so beautiful. It's so nice. You can put the money in there, isn't it?
You could, but...
Diba? Oh, lunchbox.
Put coins in there, so you have like a treasure chest.
Ang ganda, ang cute. It's so beautiful. Next time if you're gonna buy me, this one is better. Bigger one. Oh, cute din mga maliliit ah. Oh, ang cute, D.
It's pretty cool, but I don't really have any use for it. These have a lot of cool stuff. I just don't have any use for it.
Ano kaya? Hindi na namin nabili yung fabric.
These are baskets.
May mga ano sila, may mga basket, may pangkawit. Ayan, mga pangkawit nila. Ano pa? They don't have fake plants, me.
Probably over here.
Oh, let's go to fake plants. Ganda. Oh, marami na akong pera. Ang dami ko na na-design. Siguro lang. Ewan ko lang ha. Pero ano ko lang, chika ko lang.
Here.
So beautiful. Ay, ang ganda nito, Dayong. Ang ganda nito. Hanap pa tayo ng ibang one. Maganda to ah. Di. Oo.
Huh?
Diba? Ang ganda. It's beautiful. What is this flower? I forgot what's that
I
flower.
think they're called lilies. No, I know. $12 though.
Wow. Ang ganda. So, hanap na ako ng fabric ko. Kasi magtatahi ako eh. Ito, puro cotton na. Dami pala dito. Maganda nga yan. Ayun yung favorite kong favorite flower ko eh. Ang ganda tayo. Parang gusto ko daw bilhin. No? Kailangan tsaka ng ano niya ng emirate niya saan. Maganda rin to. $13 na. Mahal. Kasi pag ako
$20 total.
ha?
$20 total for this. Because that's $12, that's $6. So it's going to be around $20 total. Is that worth it?
Ugly?
Well, I just don't think it's worth $20.
That's beautiful. I'm gonna buy that. And then, ano ba bibiling ko? Ano pa? Wala tayong maisip.
Look at the fabric here.
Yeah, I'm gonna look the fabric, but I'm gonna buy the pot too.
Over in the other corner by the big picture frames. Yep, you'll hold it.
So, ito pala, naghahanap kami ng picture frame kasi ipapaprint namin yung kasal namin. So, di ko alam kung maganda kaya yun. Ay, naka 50% oh. Diba? Maganda ah. Pang ano, aesthetic. Ito yung hood na ano na sa bahay namin. Ganyan kaya kunin namin. Na? Ganun na yung malaki. O kaya yung ganito. Na? Ganda. Ayoko na medyo gold kasi wood kasi yung ano ng bahay namin. So, dapat ang kunin yung wood na may white, di ba? So, ito kaya turo ko sa aking asawa. 8 by 10. Ay, 11 by 14 na lang. No? Para malaki. Ayan sila yung mga ang ganda rito. Babalik talaga ako rito bago magpasko. Bio, 50%.
Yeah, I know.
If we buy we buy it like this.
They have 50% off and everything. When we start getting pictures printed, we'll find frames, okay?
Okay.
Right now, we don't have any pictures printed, so we don't need any frames yet. Because if you buy all the frames and then you print the pictures, then it might not fit. If you get all the pictures printed, then you know what size you need already, then you get it.
Ay, ang gaganda tayo. Ang gaganda niya, oh. Ito din maganda, oh. Ang ganda naman pang-decorate niya, oh. Ito rin, oh. Maganda. Ito rin. So, hanap ako ng ang ganda na ito
Have a lot of vase over there.
Ay! Shit, ang ganda! Aesthetic! Ang ganda niya tayo. Ayan o. Parang bet ko to. Ay, ang ganda. Shit. Parang papalitan ko yung $6. Kaya lang meron siyang
You should get one of those other one there. It's better than the white.
This?
Oh, let me see. Look at this. Why not? That's okay.
Ang mahal naman niya ito. B, I wanna buy a little bit bigger vase for the high flowers.
Well, which one? Pick one.
I can't decide yet.
It can't just be a vase that's slightly bigger. It has to be one that's gonna last. And once it starts getting really big, you can't keep it in the house anymore. You're gonna have to plant it outside. I'm gonna go over here. You can look.
Ay, ang ganda to Para sa ano to Diba? Ang ganda niya. Magkano to? Ay, kaya lang, hindi ko alam kung saan ko ilalagay. Ang ganda. Hindi ko alam kung ano kukunin ko, promise. Ang gaganda rito. Ayan, maganda yan, Yan. Dahil magaganda shit. Ito rin maganda, Meron din sila, ayun, yung nasa taas. Kaya lang. Ang cute nito, dayo. Simpleng ano lang. Parang simpleng baonan lang. No? Kano to? Ay, ang mahal. Mahal talaga yung mga gantong pang aesthetic. I don't know yet what I'm gonna get. It's so difficult. Parang, ano ba? Ang ganda rin to. Eto, B. Kaya lang, it's so expensive,
How much is it?
$36.
It's pretty high for plants. Cool stuff.
Ang ganda ng mga ano dito tayo. Ito, lagay ng mga sing-sing. Ayan pa, mga ganyan. Ayan,
Look, it's a bed.
Aha. Can you open it out? So beautiful. Oh, I like this, B.
It's a lighthouse.
So cute.
For $11.
But I like this one better.
I like that one better, the crown. Cupcake.
So, ito pala yung binili ko. Ayan. Tsaka yan. Ito para sa desk ko. Teka lang. Check ko lang kung hindi siya pwede. So, dito talaga siya. Ayan. Okay naman yun. So, check pa tayo dito ng ano. Gusto ko kasing makahanap ng ano ba yun? Orchids ba yun? Orchids? Wala. Ay, wala silang orchids daw eh. Wala Pero magaganda rin mga flower dito. Babe, I thought you were gonna buy me fake plants. Maganda. Oh my God. Oh,
We got the real plants.
ang ganda na ito, B.
Where are you gonna put it?
The living room. I thought you gonna buy me like this, oh. Like this. Ang ganda, oh. Oh, diba? Ang ganda rito. Ito kala mo totoo, no? Pero rubber siya. Ang ganda niya. Ay, ang ganda. Shit. Pupunta talaga ako rito. Mag-isa. Yung ako may kasama eh. Parang naad lang yung mga gusto ko eh. Halika na. Dahil pa magaganda, hindi ko lang mabili. Kasi wala pa akong pera eh. Yung mga ganyan, no? Yung I do emerald. Lagay ng mga makeup. Diba? Ay, ganda rin na ito. No? Let's go! So, pauwi na kami guys. Nakabili na kami. Ito yung mga nabili namin. Yung aking asawa kinuha na yung ano. Nakita ko sa'yo. Tingin nga kung maganda.
So, when we get the bar soap, it goes in here. Like that.
Put it in there.
Oh, this is too close to the edge.
Yeah, that's why.
It's not stable though. It's gonna fall. So don't put it there because I don't want it to fall.
Okay, put it like this.
It's better if you have it here.
Yeah, ganda. Tapos papalitan ko yung flower vase ko doon. Yeah.
You can change that for the flower vase. I thought we had some more bar soap.
We do. Here.
Oh, these are the extras we brought. Okay, good. We have it from the Country Inn, and these are good. So I like these.
So, thank you guys for watching this video and sana may natutunan naman kayo sa aking video, no? Doon lang sa mga taga-Amerika, no? Kung hindi alam mo mga Hobby Lobby, yun pala yung bilihan ng mga aesthetic na mga ano. So, ang gagawin ko lagi is pupunta ako doon para bumili ng mga pang-aesthetic emerald, diba? So, thank you guys for watching this video and sana magustuhan nyo ang aking video. Thank you and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Bye-bye!